Wondering where the fuse boxes are located in the 2022 Kia Sorento and how to understand the fuse box diagram? In this guide, we'll walk you through the precise locations of each fuse box and provide insights into the diagram to help you identify and replace fuses with ease. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel provides easy access to essential vehicle circuits, protecting components like lights, radio, and power windows. It features labeled fuses for identification and includes a fuse puller for convenient replacement. Each fuse safeguards specific electrical systems from overload. Engine compartment fuse panel.
The engine compartment fuse panel protects critical engine and electrical components, such as the alternator, cooling fan, and fuel system. It houses high amperage fuses and relays designed for engine management. The panel is clearly labeled for easy identification and allows for quick fuse replacement to prevent system overloads.
Types of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse,
maxi blade fuse,
micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.